Okay, we got a 2015 Prius C here, and it supposedly has an airbag light on, so we're gonna scan it. And I've got the Autel scan tool today, so we'll try that out. There's the lights that the customer was talking about, and our code is B1650. So that, I believe, is the passenger side seat scale. So when we talk about occupant classification, that means, is that a person or not? And there's essentially a scale. So let's look under and see if any wires are cut under there. I looked under the seat and I see the wires. I don't see any broken wires. Let's try and clear that code. DTC. Okay, we cleared out. Right back on instantly. So that is a hard fault. Okay, time to do some research on this code. Okay, so we're going to TechStream now, researching this code with this airbag light, the passenger occupant classification device, which is the scale, can be recalibrated. So we'll try that first before we dig deeper and pull the seat out and look at the wires and maybe buy parts. Okay, so we're gonna go to occupant detection. So we're going to calibrate the seat scale. Ignition on, engine is not running. No person or items in the passenger seat. So one thing that's concerning me on this is we've got all our weights ready and we're ready to do the calibration, but it did say clearly make sure nothing is under or on top of the seat. And not only is this is a rental car, that's why it has this lockbox. Not only is this under the seat, but it's right wrapped around like the wires to the scale. And this lockbox is broken, so we can't get the shackle out. So we'll cut the shackle and get this chain out of here and start there.
All right, let's get that baby.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, shackles.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, wow.
Damn it.
Oh, damage.
Damn it.
Casualty.
Yep. Grinder time. All right. Well, here we go.
I went through.
Not through.
Yeah. I forgot. I didn't realize.
All right.
Look at this. It's turning too.
Nice.
So good. Up. So we get that gen.
Ignition is on, engine is not running, no person or items in the passenger seat, vehicles on flat level surface. Yes.
Yes.
Slide position, max front, headrest down, nothing on or under the seat. Okay. Okay, slide seat to rear max.
Rear max, that would be this.
Rear max, headrest down, fully upright. Next, confirm the following conditions. Wow, there's a lot to this. Don't move the seat position. Nothing is on or under the seat. Okay, check. We cut that stupid lockbox off. Prepare our 30 kilogram weight. We have that ready right behind you there. We've got three. What?
How many pounds? 30 kilo.
Yeah, 30 kilograms.
Okay.
We got 3 cylinders and a giant wrench.
Almost like doing almost 20, 21, 5.
All right, next. Okay, put 66 kilograms on. So let's throw the towel.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
And then...
So towel first, and then our not so clean refrigerant cylinders. Nice.
Thinking maybe if we do it like this.
Oh yeah.
You know, let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, and they're looking good. Quite frankly,
Looking
I put
good.
the other one here so it doesn't get this dirty too. Ooh, that's perfect. And not.
It was
There's a 5 pound missing in the count.
One more chunk. Next. Complete. Okay, exit. All right. Can we clear it now? Clear, please. Okay.
Boom.
It's gone. All right. So let's
take this stuff out.
Take all this stuff out of here, and we'll like drive around and see if it's really clear.
Well, unless you want to drive with those guys, and I wait for you here.
Yeah, I'll be clanking around quite a bit. Nice. And I'll see where we stand with this. All right. Our code is gone. Yay. Want to hop in and see, because now it says airbag off, which is normal and correct. If you hop in, so the fact it says airbag off is normal. And once we get a passenger, we should see there, airbag on.
Nice. Should I put my seat belt?
Yeah. So we got no codes now. We did it. Hey.